Racing just is started. We have reporter break weekly start rushing about the outside and now diving through the lead this medals time. Passing by the judge stand for the first time. We have medals time followed by Isfirikim, maximum exposure, grand game. The next online is Senor Elijah, my lucky one alongside Real Heaven. Reporter Shifty comes next. Devil in disguise. Deep Rising is on the outside. Beat the hit. Then Racing second last is Seniority. Well, alam mo na yan is Racing in 14th. And as they swing down the back, we have medals time ahead of the field, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. And in second is Firikim. Grand game now moving up on the outside. The next online is Real Heaven, my lucky one, maximum exposure. Reporter comes next, down on the inside. Shifty, Senor Elijah comes next. Deep Rising, and on the inside is Devil in Disguise. Alam mo na yan, while Seniority now racing in 14th. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have medals time. Still in control, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. He's Firikim in second, down on the inside, Real Heaven, and on the outside, Grand Game with about 100 meters up. That is medals time by about 3 lengths, followed by Isfirikim, and finally it's medals time. Isfirikim, Grand Game, Close, Devil in Disguise, Real Heaven. Then comes Deep Rising.